Hey everyone, want to check your hard drive's health with CrystalDiskInfo? Regularly monitoring your HDD can help you detect potential problems early, avoid unexpected drive failures, and protect your important data. In this full guide, I'll show you how to check HDD health using CrystalDiskInfo in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch CrystalDiskInfo on your computer. The software will automatically detect all supported storage devices, including hard disk drives and solid-state drives. If your computer has multiple storage drives, select your hard drive from the list at the top of the window. CrystalDiskInfo will then display detailed health information for that specific HDD. Now look at the health status indicator. You'll typically see good, caution, or bad. A good status usually means the drive is operating normally, while caution or bad may indicate developing hardware problems that require attention. Next, review the hard drive's temperature. Excessive heat can shorten the lifespan of a hard drive, so keeping temperatures within a safe range is important. Scroll down to the S.M.A.R.T attributes. Pay close attention to values such as reallocated sectors count, current pending sector count, uncorrectable sector count, and power on hours. These indicators can provide useful information about your hard drive's overall condition. Check your hard drive's health regularly, especially if you notice unusual noises, slow performance, or file errors. Monitoring your HDD can help you identify warning signs early and back up your important files before a serious failure occurs. For the best experience, back up your important data regularly. Keep your computer well ventilated to reduce drive temperatures. Avoid sudden power loss whenever possible. And replace a drive if its health status changes to bad or shows signs of failure. Regular maintenance can help protect your files and extend your drive's lifespan. And that's how to check your hard drive's health with CrystalDiskInfo in 2026. Whether you're preventing data loss, monitoring drive performance, or maintaining your computer, CrystalDiskInfo is a simple and reliable tool for keeping track of your HDD's condition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.